Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make steamed banana cake with walnuts. So this is a very easy steps how to make banana cake without an oven. So stay tuned and get started. So here they are guys. We need butter, banana, eggs, baking powder, vanilla powder, salt, baking soda, milk, full cream milk, walnuts, brown sugar, 4 cups of flour, white sugar. So let's go. First, we need to prepare our bananas. I love using overripe bananas not only in cake, but also muffins, ice creams, and so much more. Overripe bananas are superhero of whole food plant-based baking. Keep it moist while adding flavor and a natural sweetness.
inches later.
Phew, the long wait is over. So let's slice it and give it a try. It already smells so good, guys. And it looks so good. It looks like it's baked. As you can see, it's my first time actually to bake or steamed a banana cake, and it comes out so beautiful like this. So just follow the recipe. Make sure that you do the stick test. Make sure that when you check it, it's already dry and it's clean, and you can see it like this. You see the walnuts, and when I slice it, it's crunchy. Yeah, so we were gonna give it a try. Let's see how it tastes. So yummy, guys. I cannot stop eating already. I have to sign off, and I have to turn it over to our steamed banana cake food porn buddy. So see you soon. Thank you for watching.